Smells like my nonna's kitchen.
Yeah, it's the basil. He thinks he made it himself from scratch. Oh.
See? Do you want to taste?
Okay.
Hi, I'm Sylvia, and today I'm on a mission to inject some confidence into your dinner party meals. And I've got two very special guests here, Anthony and Tim, and we have two amazing recipes to showcase how easy it is to entertain with no stress, just relying on amazing oven technology. So the first recipe we're gonna cook is
Lamb
with
vegetables.
couldn't be easier. And
Very easy.
What about the second one?
We are going to do a dessert as well with some berries, and I know there's Prosecco in there. That's about,
Yes, it's a Prosecco and berry clafouti. Okay, brace yourselves.
How many tea towels
That
have you
was
got?
remarkably underwhelming. Well, let's hope I can impress you a little bit more with these recipes and the Smeg oven technology. What I would like you to do is to mix the garlic and the rosemary with the mustard.
You're very bossy.
They have said that before.
Please, boss.
We need your help today because
let's be honest.
us in the kitchen.
Is that enough, by the way?
Oh, is that enough? Yeah.
Just put it all in. Okay, while you do that, I'm going to turn the oven on.
Yeah, all we know is how to cook 180 degrees, to be honest.
A lot of people can relate with that, but then when you've got an oven that's got such incredible technology, we're just really using 5% of it if we just set it to 180. We are just going to unleash all the potential.
We're normally like a uni chef, so to be an omni chef is going to be very different. It's going to be a fantastic experience by the end, for sure.
Once you put everything in the oven, you forget about it for 20 minutes and you can go and enjoy your dinner party, because sometimes the stress of a dinner party is that you're stuck in the kitchen.
Yeah, I don't
And
take
everybody's having the fun. I want to have the fun.
That's what takes us away from cooking a lot, apart from not being able to do it, but also our oven's not good. But we just, we kind of, when we have people over, you want to entertain, you want to be able to have drinks with them and enjoy the experience.
Exactly.
So,
Let's
cool.
arrange the racks on top of the veggies.
So that's ready to go.
This is
So
really-
that's ready to go.
That's kind of easy too.
I know, that's it done. So now we are just gonna make some room for dessert.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
What we've got here, it's a clafouti, which is so easy, it's criminal. Tumble the lot into there.
Yep.
Yeah,
Did you say Campbell the lot in there?
I did.
Oh, right. I said
Campbell the lot into
Campbell
there, or
the
tumble
lot in there.
the lot into there.
Don't you put Prosecco first?
Okay,
So crack
in.
eggs?
Yes, please.
Oh, you just put it. You are hopeless.
What?
You always do
No,
this.
you don't need to do that.
No, he's got shell in there.
I've got
Oh,
shell.
you need to do
Yeah.
that.
Clefity crunch. Is what it is. And then we'll blend this up.
And now you just pour that all over your berries.
Okay.
So you guys are obviously really expert cocktail makers, but do you serve any food with your alcohol?
So you always have a drink on arrival, and then basically it's, we like to do big platters of food.
The reason we do that is because we're kind of a bit afraid to cook. For us, cooking is a bit of a chore, and
Yeah, I
we don't have this
understand
kind of
that.
technology, so we just, that's why the platter's easy.
What you need is like a simple recipe that's effective, that's impressive, and that's gonna make everyone happy. Good oven technology, and then you're really
And we also
halfway
just
there.
need you to come over each and every
Yes,
time.
yeah.
Now, the magical thing that's gonna happen now, my friends, is that we're gonna put the two dishes in the same oven at the same time.
What?
In 20 minutes.
In 20 minutes. Let's pop the lamb on this rack here.
I can't believe we're putting dessert
I know.
and mains into the same oven.
It is quite amazing to think that something as delicate as the berry clafouti and that sort of kind of spongy in texture will not absorb any of the other aromas that are going around in the oven. This is just, it's mind-boggling.
Oh,
Okay, are you ready for the magic to
Yes.
unfold? All right, get those racks out.
Okay, you have to open the oven though.
Oh, I do.
Oh, it smells
It smells incredible.
incredible.
It looks
20
golden and
minutes.
delicious.
Lords.
Move, please.
And the dessert.
Oh, the dessert. Yep. Could you imagine if I dropped this right now?
Yes, I wouldn't be very happy.
No, a few people may not be happy.
The best thing to do with lamb, though, when it comes out of the oven, is to let it rest a little bit, so that all the juices can settle. The moisture doesn't just pour out;
Yeah.
it's captured within. Zhuzh it up a little bit. Ooh.
Hurry up, Sylvia, I'm hungry.
Come on, grab it, go, go. Take your pick.
Go the taste test. Come on, come on, come on.
I'll get you some veggies as well. You have to eat your veggies.
What's it like? custard
It's
jelly.
really good.
I have to start with the veggies.
Thankfully, we came today to help you do this.
I'm
Yeah.
so glad.
Seriously, because I
am
think
so
it wouldn't
glad.
have been as good.
We've never cooked so well.
Are you starting with dessert?
Oh yeah, so can I kind of...
Don't massacre
It's already dead.
You've murdered my clafouti.
There we go.
Hold on, I need to put
Gracias.
Try my
garnish.
clafouti.
Look,
There you go.
that's pretty. Oh, that's so delicious.
I know. When our friends come over, they're going to have a whole new set of cuisine now and not the usual platters.
And speaking of, for this and more recipes, visit Smeg Cucina and enjoy.
We are so enjoying right now.
Oh.